Hey guys, this is Miss Cooper here, and in this video I'm going to show you how to use this web tool called Venn Diagram. And we will be using this tool frequently in class throughout the whole semester. So I just wanted to make this video so you can go back and reference it if you need to. Now, as you can see, this web tool is just like a regular Venn diagram that you could draw, but this way we can create a Venn diagram digitally, which is pretty nifty. And just like the Venn diagram that you could draw on paper, you use the Venn diagram to compare and contrast two different things. And today we're going to compare and contrast theme and central idea. However, in this tutorial, I'll be comparing and contrasting Twitter and Snapchat as an example. So let's get started. Okay, the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to put my name. So you'll go down here and type your name. And then you're going to title your project. It'll only let you type so many words. So we're going to title this Twitter and Snapchat, not Snapchart. And once you've done that, we can hit start. All right, so you'll notice that there are two circles in the Venn diagram and that they intersect here in the middle. In the middle, we're going to put things that the two things have in common. So in the parts that do not intersect, we will put things that are unique just to that one thing. So we need to begin by labeling the two circles. And the way that you do that is you double click on the title. So I'm going to double click on this. And if you go up here, it says label your circle. I'm going to label this one Twitter. And you can change the color if you're not a fan of pink and green. I'm going to change mine to blue. And then you hit the little check mark. Okay. Now I'm going to go over here and do the same thing over here. And I'm going to call this one Snapchat. And let's make it yellow because Snapchat is yellow. Okay. Next, we're going to start adding content. Okay, and let's start in the middle with a similarity that Twitter and Snapchat have in common. So both Twitter and Snapchat are a form of social media. So what I'm going to do to add that in here is go up here to New Item. And you just got to put what you want where it says label your item. You don't need to worry about this item description down here. So I'm just going to put social media. And click. And then see, I can drag it wherever I want. And I'm going to put it in the middle because that's something that they have in common. And now we're going to do the same thing with a difference. So if you know anything about Snapchat, it's mostly with sending pictures. And with Twitter, you're usually posting words. So I'm going to go up here to New Item again. And I'm just going to put posting words in my Twitter side. And posting pictures on the side that says Snapchat. Okay, so it's the same thing as if you were drawing it or writing it out. It's just on the computer. So you would obviously have more content than I have on here. Okay, and I'll show you the things that you need to put on the one you're going to do today. But when you're finished, you're going to go down here and hit finish. And what I would like for you to do is hit this button that says share final. And it's going to save it as a PDF, which is nice. That's exactly what you want. And it says send to email. And I want you to send it to my email. Okay, and I'll have this on the board or on the piece of paper for you. And it's alcooper@hcpsnc.org. Okay, and that's going to email me a copy of your Venn diagram so that I can grade it. And I'm going to hit send. And it says your file has been sent. Hit OK. And now we're done. And you guys are Venn diagram experts now. And I want you to reference this video anytime you need it. I'm going to put it on Google Classroom. And lastly, may the force be with you. All right, guys, let's do this.